Now, tonight's weather details. Here's Norm.
Thanks, Tony. I missed Ida Gaylord's birthday yesterday. It's kind of special because she was 107. So, Ida Gaylord of Burnaby, all the best to you. Now, what I wanted to show you on the satellite photo is that we have this conveyor belt here that starts in Hawaii and goes all the way up to our British Columbia coast, and that's the conveyor belt upon which all this mild, moist air is coming in. It's creating quite a lot of difficult situations in BC. First of all, there is a heavy rain warning for the northwest end of Vancouver Island and from there northward on the coastal sections. Up to 150 millimeters, call that 6 inches of rain, is expected in the next 24 hours. And somewhere between 10 and 20 centimeters of snow called for the interior, and that could be anywhere from Prince Rupert east to Prince George, and then from Prince George east up to the Alberta border. The Department of Highways has advised that road closures and delays are in effect east of Revelstoke, in the Three Valley Gap area, the Pine Pass route between Prince George and Dawson Creek. So if you're heading that way by car, by all means, please check with the Department of Highways or the RCMP before you go east in British Columbia. And just for interest's sake, spotting a few locations in eastern Canada around Bay Como and Sept-Îles. I don't know why I choose those places, but I do. They're expecting snow with overnight lows of minus 26. And here we are going golfing tomorrow. I don't understand it. In Toronto this afternoon, minus 7. Snow is on the way. The remaining cool air is concentrating in southern Manitoba and southern Saskatchewan, although temperatures have risen for about 10 degrees in the last 24 hours. In southern Alberta, it looks a little bit dicey for the opening of the Olympics. Some of the fears have come true. Not only Chinook mild weather, highs of 9 around Calgary, Lethbridge, and Medicine Hat, Olympic corridor, but the winds are picking up to 50 kilometers an hour, and that's what's melting the snow. We'll keep you and the rest of the BCTV crew posted. There is a large ridge of high, and it's centered in Utah, and the northern end of it is just cuts through Juan de Fuca. Otherwise, our weather is going to be dominated by this large, warm low here, as I mentioned, it's being generated all the way from Hawaii. Did you detect the pineapple juice in the rain today? Well, that's it, you see. This is carrying heavy rain for the central and north coasts, basically from the north end of Vancouver Island northward. And as far as temperatures go, we had the warmest in the country today at Lytton, 13 degrees, and it looks like we're going to go through the weekend with this mild, moist air. The freezing level around Vancouver is 2,500 meters. The emphasis is on cloudy skies and rain. In Whitehorse, the first recording area, or they're talking about a chance of light snow, sunny periods tomorrow afternoon and overnight lows down to about minus 18. Maybe even minus 22 in Centerville and Watson Lake. For the Peace River country, occasional light snow, but very mild compared to the beginning of the week, minus 3 and plus 2. For the Cariboo in the interior, intermittent rain or snow, heavier snow and freezing rain west of Prince George because daytime highs are up around 5, overnight lows 0 for the north coast. Rain mixed with snow, snow inland, windy on the coast, a 90 to 100% chance of precipitation, and mild. Thompson, Okanagan, West Kootenays, snow in the northern Thompson area, 10 to 20 centimeters, spotty precipitation in the south. East Kootenays, cloud with sunny breaks, 30% chance of precip. For the southwest corner of BC, mainly cloudy, showers of rain, which will be heavier at times, remaining very mild not only tonight and tomorrow, but into the weekend as well from all that system coming up from Hawaii. Thanks, Tony.